I know.
The pandemic increased mental health concerns for people of all ages. According to the Kaiser Family Foundation, more than 25% of high school students reported worse emotional and cognitive health, and 20% of parents with elementary-age students reported their kids were struggling mentally. In the East Valley, students recognized the rising problem and begged their school board and legislators for help. So in today's Back to School series, Learning Curve, Tricia Hendricks shows us how one school district responded in a positive way.
Working in mental health care takes a lot of training.
2 years of pretty hard work.
For 3-year-old Bowie, that meant 6 weeks of obedience training, 6 weeks of therapy training, and passing a national evaluation.
This dog is absolutely cut out for this.
Now her training is paying off.
Very engaging. She's very social.
Bowie is one of 40 certified therapy dogs. Mesa Public Schools has it more than 24 schools across the district, part of a program they call Positive Peers, taking a different approach, addressing students' mental health.
We went and visited New York City, the largest school district in the United States, has therapy dogs in their classroom. And we worked with North Shore Animal League America and Yale University implementing their curriculum.
Tot Wallace is the Director of Community Education and Outreach. She says since they first launched the program with just 5 dogs in 2019, they've seen results.
So there's a focus there on the social emotional component of resiliency, self-awareness, social awareness that we incorporate with humane education and shelter animals.
I see a therapy dog, I'm like, oh my goodness, and then everyone else just changes their mood. Even my girlfriend.
This therapy dog can help us with our temperament and how to keep cool and not get out of our angerments and just keep cool.
There you go.
And sometimes it's just nice to play with a dog.
It works really well as a de-escalation. Some students are not comfortable talking about what's going on with them, but the dog is a neutralizer. You know, when you start talking to a student about a dog, then they begin to open up. They begin to relax.
I had one student who specifically came up to me and said, I have anxiety and I really want to sit and pet her for a while. And so I said, hey, no problem, anytime.
We have left no stone unturned, right, to address students' mental health.
Tricia Hendricks, 12 News.